Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you a perfect leaf base and also a star. Let's get started. Make a magic ring and 6 single chains in it. Join with slip stitch. For second row, take 1 chain and 2 single chains into each chain. Join with slip stitch. For petals, take 5 chains. Skip the first one and insert the hook into second chain. Make 1 single chain, 3 half double crochet in it. Then skip 1 chain and insert into second chain and make slip stitch. Again, take 5 chains. Skip the first one and insert the hook in next, and make single chain and 3 half double crochet. Continue the pattern till the end. Continue the pattern till the end. Now cut the yarn and your crochet flower base is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video.